Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn. Welcome to A Simple Tweak. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple flan. This flan is a combination of a creamy custard and a very rich caramel. Let me show you the ingredients. To make this recipe, you'll need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of water, and 3 large eggs at room temperature. Making a Spanish flan is so easy and simple. The trick with this sweet and creamy dessert is making the caramel. Let me share with you my process. In a medium saucepan, add the sugar and water. Mix it lightly and place on the stove over medium-high heat. Let it boil and be attentive at all times until the water starts to evaporate and the sugar turns into a golden color like this. Place 2 ramekins into a big baking pan, pour the caramel into the ramekins and set aside. Now let's prepare the custard. In a mixing bowl, combine the evaporated milk, condensed milk, eggs, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Whisk until all the ingredients are well combined. I decided to transfer the mixture into another mixing bowl to pour it easily into the ramekins. Now it's time for the water bath, known in Spanish as a baño de María. For this, I just pour enough hot water into the baking pan to cover more than half of the ramekins. Now let's take it to the oven and bake the flan for 50 minutes to an hour at 350 degrees. The trick to taking out the flan from the ramekins is to gently run a knife clockwise around the edges until you see the flan getting loose. Then place a plate on top of the ramekin facing down and gently turn and pull up until the flan releases like this. Now it's time to enjoy. Make sure to leave your comments in the section down below or visit my website, simpletweak.com, for more recipes like this one.